Hello students, this is remote learning initiative undertaken by Ch7 Mandir English High School CBSE. Myself Pritam De Silva, your SST teacher, and today we are going to deal with Standard 7th Geography, Chapter 7 Human Environment, Settlement, Transport and Communication. Part 3 Waterways. Students, waterways are the cheapest mode of transport. They carry heavy and bulky goods over long distances. They are mainly of two types, inland waterways and sea routes. Inland waterways. Students, navigable rivers and lakes are used as inland waterways. Some important inland waterways are the Ganga-Brahmaputra river system and the Great Lakes in North America and the river Nile in Africa. Sea routes. Sea routes and oceanic routes are mostly used for transporting merchandise and goods from one country to another. These routes are connected with the ports. Some of the important ports of the world are Singapore and Mumbai in Asia, New York, Los Angeles in North America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa, Sydney in Australia, London and Rotterdam in Europe. Airways. Students, airways is the fastest mode of transport today. It is very expensive due to high cost of fuels. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Students, helicopters are extremely useful in most inaccessible areas and in time of calamities for rescuing people and distributing food, water, clothes and medicines. Some of the important airports are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt and Cairo. Communication. Students, the process by which we convey messages to others is known as communication. With the development of technology, humans have devised new and fast modes of communication. The advancement in the field of communication has brought about an information revolution in the world. Different modes of communication are used to provide information, to educate as well as to entertain. Newspapers, radio and television are important means of communication. They are called mass media because we can communicate with a large number of people at the same time. The satellites have made communication even faster. Satellites have helped in oil exploration, survey of forest, underground water, mineral wealth, weather forecast and disaster warning. Wireless telephonic communication through cellular phones have become very popular today. Internet provides us with worldwide information and interaction. Now we can reserve tickets for railways, airways and even cinemas and hotels sitting at home. With this kind of interactivity of people, services and institutions across the world, we are a large global society.